Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And we are going to be around these places. There's boats, there's fish stuff, and then we're going to go to an RV thing. RV one. There's lots of
and
stuff
it's
here.
what time at night on Saturday?
I don't know.
It's Saturday, January 12th, and it's 12:52. So.
12:52 at night, guys.
Or sorry, 7:52, not 12:52. Sorry.
Of course, my brother's into a lot of stuff. I would say mostly cars.
There we go. Look at that. Oh, that's cool.
Imagine grabbing that. Where are we gonna go? I'm bored. I want to go to the RV. Look at that.
Look.
Look at that. What is that? I can't read it. I'm a bad reader. Mitchell, let's go look at some of the pictures over here. Let's go look at some of the pictures. We're looking at some pictures. Some deer. Poor deer. That's real right there.
I bet you don't know how to get into that.
I bet you. I do.
You're
But I
like,
do. It's easy. You just open the door. But you have to have that.
What?
See, I know things.
You do?
have
Really?
See, told you. I'm a smart girl. I don't know what is this. You guys, comment down below what kind of fort you guys think this is. I don't know what kind. But here are some pictures. Mitchell's over there. My dad's over here. I bet you I don't know how to get into that.
What'd you find?
A lot.
A lot?
Look what we found over there.
I took a picture of the boat that is over there.
Nice.
I got one of that one and one of that one.
Nice.
I got one of the balloons.
Did you see the wheelchairs that have like the tracks on them?
No, I didn't.
Let's go look at those.
We'll see you guys later.
Here, do this.
Oh, okay. We'll see you guys later. We are going. We'll see you guys at the RV place. Mitchell, can you?
What?
Bye. Sorry, guys, we're not at the RV place. I had to show you guys. It's the most amazing wheelchair ever. I mean, look at that. I would love to ride in that. If somebody shoots this, it won't do anything.
Yeah, well.
No, what?
It's meant to be shot out of, not shot into.
Don't care. But people will shoot at it. Look how cool this is, guys. Oh, and look at that. So much stuff. I think this is going to be one of the best episodes ever. I just want to ride in that. It looks so cool.
What?
This stuff. I like that one the best, though. Oh, I didn't even realize that one.
That one's pretty cool. I think that one's the best.
Yeah, me too. Okay, you guys, comment down below which one do you guys think which wheelchair is the best? Comment down below which wheelchair is the best. I honestly personally think that one. But guess what we're in? You guys might want to check this out. We're in one of the wheeler things, Mabobber. Wheelie things. Look at that. I mean, that's awesome. So I'm gonna turn that around. Look how cool this is, guys. Look at the roof. Amazing. I love this. Me and Mitch were saying we could get used to this very easily.
Yeah, I could definitely get used to driving this.
I mean, look at this. And there's
The auto pedal is
that.
decently easy. The brake is way easier.
I'm gonna go
than
get Dad, okay?
Oh yeah, see what he thinks.
Oh. Okay, so we're gonna go get
Honda one. Piper. Oh, you got the lag?
Okay, sorry. I called that one. I'm gonna get that. Where is he? Where's that guy? Yeah, that's
And
it.
I've got,
We
and I've-
can get in with those.
Oh,
and I've
okay.
got-
Be careful.
I've got basically
Yeah.
2 chains.
Alright, so Bumpy. I love it. I want to get mine. I love it. I love it. I love it. I don't know how to get this in here though. No problem. It's not like the other one. I'll see if we can do. That's so easy. Oh. Mitchell. Awesome. You guys, I'm getting in here. If I can. Yeah. This is so cool. You guys, make sure to comment down below which one's your favorite. This one, that one, or Mitchell's.
I like this one. This one's fun.
The one that Mitchell
I
likes.
used to like
Hey guys, thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to like, subscribe, and share. I will see you on our next adventure. And make sure to check out Mesu Fishing and
UV Tightline.
thank you. I'll see you guys on our next adventure. Bye.